In this video, I will talk about the new Surveys tab in the MyLead panel. I will show you how it works and tell you how you can earn by using it. After logging in to your publisher's panel, go to the Surveys tab on the left side. The link to the tab can be found in the video description. Before you start filling out the surveys, you must read and accept the terms and conditions. Be 100% truthful when answering the questions, because only true answers will make you get paid. This will allow you to build credibility among research campaigns. As a result, you will receive more surveys with higher rates over time. The surveys contain so-called trap questions that are designed to check the quality of the answers you give. If you do not answer truthfully, you may not get paid. Any attempted fraud is prohibited, including relocation using VPN and other activities aimed at gaining access to more surveys. Be aware that some surveys may require additional approval from the survey conductor. This means that you will not receive payment for completing them immediately. You will see a list of available surveys, the thematic scope of which is very wide. The questions appearing in the surveys can be both closed and open-ended. By answering the questions in the surveys, you will receive funds that will additionally top up your MyLead balance. They will be added to your account immediately after completing the survey. The first surveys can be test ones. You may not receive any remuneration for completing them. Their goal is to match you to a specific respondent profile. It may also happen that you will not fit the target group defined by the creator of the survey. If that happens, don't be discouraged. Perhaps the next research conducting company will be looking for people just like you. In the columns, in addition to the name of the survey, you will find information about how long it may take to complete a specific survey and how much you can earn for it. People who have completed surveys can rate them by using a star rating. You will see the rating given by users in the form of an average in one of the columns. Let's go with this survey. For example, surveys may require your consent to be contracted and send marketing information from third parties. When entering your page, please enter your actual age, not the year you were born in. I'm filling out all the details and starting answering the questions. In the video, you see it at an increased speed. If for any reason you stop completing the survey, you can return to it as long as you left the browser window open and did not exit the website. You can also complete the surveys using mobile devices, but we recommend using the desktop version. Done. I answered all the questions and sent the survey. The funds I have obtained appear on the dashboard as accepted funds, and in the Statistics tab, I will find them as a campaign called Survey. You can complete all the surveys you see on the list. Remember that filling them in is optional and is entirely up to you. As I mentioned, more will come over time. If you have any questions, make use of the FAQ directly in the tab or contact our support in the MyLead panel. That's all. See you next time!